Well, there's the pig pen.
I knew it cute.
Hey guys, I'm back out at the farm today to finish up the pig project. The ground still isn't thawed, but I'm going to chip away at it and see if I can get this ring done, because we got the bigger pigs coming today. We were supposed to get 100-pound pigs, and we ended up with like 20-pound pigs. And my wife's going to pick up some bigger pigs today. So for the kiddos for the 4-H, we got to get back digging, and I got to build a run for the bigger pigs and put in a gate and all sorts of stuff. But there's the little piggies. Hey piggies. How's it going, guys? Yeah, those little guys are going to have a rude awakening when the big guys come visit them. So there's this cool old logger that's sitting in the trees. Been here in the dirt. Tipped over laying here. It came with the place. And I want to see if I can dig this thing out and get it going. All the old guys at breakfast say that I'm crazy, that I'll never run again. But I don't know. It sounds like a challenge to me. And I'm a sucker for a challenge, so... Well, I came out yesterday and tried to do a little digging. Let me see if I can get an angle here that's not horrible. So I was able to scratch away at it, but the frost level, especially on these edges, is not very deep. You can kind of see the ledge of ice here. And it's hard to get my fingers on the little mini excavator out straight enough to get in there and scoop it like so. You have to straighten your arm out as far as you can. And yeah, it's a pain. But I'm just going to chip away at it. I ran out of gas yesterday, so I topped the little guy off. This little guy's name is Tigger. Tigger the mini excavator, because, you know, orange and black, why not? Anyhow, that's our little 420 swapped mini excavator. Now that I got this ring out here, I'm not able to get the little mini excavator back up in here to dig. So that's going to be fun. I guess maybe I could pull it back in and then squeeze through there and dig it. I don't know. So I had to auger a hole to put in a post to hang a gate on, and I'm using this old Massey Ferguson tractor that I bought from my father-in-law. It's a pretty cool tractor. I ended up putting a front end loader on it out of some scrap that I got from my buddy Chan. He bought a farm and it had some old loader brackets that didn't fit the tractor at all, and modified the crud out of them, but it turned out pretty good. Anyhow, it's been a pretty handy tractor for around the farm. So, augering some holes. Yeah, that'll work pretty good. And then chunk a 4-inch pipe in the hole to make a pretty good post. Put the post in the hole, add a little dirt. Tamp it on down. Should make it pretty strong. And then I took the tractor and I just pushed it down with the bucket on the tractor and made it go down a little bit more and got it nice and solid. So I'm sure there's probably a better way to do this than just vice grips, but they get it done. You know, vice grips got this little cutter here that works pretty good. And then you can kind of clamp down here, untwist these little guys, get her broke loose. Granted, I'm no expert on fencing. I just, you know, whatever it takes to get it done, I guess. Sort of a guy. Then if I do, you know, a couple at a time, not the whole thing all at once, then I don't have to stretch the whole fence. Granted, it's not the tightest fence in the world. Alrighty, last one's here. Alrighty, now we got a hole in the thing. Now I got to weld on a gate. Yeah, that's pretty solid. Well, a little hand digging and I should have her. I kind of can connect the dots there. It actually, the only place that it was really still frosty was just right here between these two buildings where it was really shaded. The rest of it, the frost is pretty well gone. That wasn't too bad, actually. You know, the only hard thing was a few tree roots, but that's kind of what you get when you're digging in the trees. So I still got a little bit of dirt right here between there. I've been in there trying to dig it out with a shovel. I'll go try a little bit more on the backside, but maybe I can just squeeze those two together when I go to do it. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Are they gonna go underneath the fence panels?
I don't know, Dale. I think they'll be okay. It's just a matter of getting them going.
Okay.
Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, girl. So this one's the longest. Come on. Come on, girl. I almost had her, but
All right. And there's the piggies. Holy cow, what an adventure. Much solid. Oh, piggies are out.
Hi, Bacon.
Well, there's the pig pen. Well, we got the little door through. Got her all back filled up and got her all back filled. Oh, there they go. Here, piggies. We got the doorway in. Doorway's looking pretty good. Hey, piggies. Hey, piggies. The piggies got their waters. Works pretty good. Well, there's the pig pen. And remember, me and Jesus love you.